Okay, continuing 5.3 with the variables in the expression, we need to change the fractions that have unlike denominators in the same fashion we have before. So we're going to go to the larger of the two denominators, 6. Will 2 go into 6 evenly? It will. So 6 is going to be our common denominator. I'm going to show you in a little bit different way, the way we were showing it in class today. See if that's a little bit easier for you. Now to get 6 as a denominator, I need to multiply this side. Sorry, those are hard to read. I'm going to see if I can undo those and try to do that one more time. Alright, so I'm going to multiply by 3 over 3 because that again is multiplying by 1. So I would say 3 times a is 3a, and then we get 3 times 2, and that would be our 6 is our common denominator. Then this one already has the common denominator as 6, so now I have 3a minus a. So I have 3 a's, I take 1 away, I end up with 2a over 6. And now I need to simplify with a common factor. They're even numbers, so 2 will go into each of them. So if I divide, oh, those are some funny division signs there. Let's see if I can make them solid. Divide by 2 over 2. I apologize, I'm trying to hurry for you with this one since it had some difficulty and we're just not having some luck here. So divide by 2 over 2, again, that would be dividing by 1. So you can do that. And so 2a divided by 2 is going to be a, and 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. So your simplified answer would be a over 3. Why don't I do one more of those for you since this is going to be a quicker one. So let's go ahead and do, that one was a subtraction one. Let's do an addition one. And we'll do one a little bit harder for a common denominator. Let's do a over 15 plus a over 6. So it's a little bit harder to find that common denominator. So again, go to your larger of your denominators. I have 15. 6 will not go into 15 evenly. So let me do 15 times 2. That's 30. It will go into 30 evenly. So my common denominator is going to be 30. Now, how do I get from 15 to 30? I'm going to multiply by 2. So 2a, 2 times a is 2a. And how do I get from 6 to 30? I'm going to multiply by 5. So this is going to turn out 5a. Now if I write it in that cleaned up form, I now have 2a plus 5a all over 30. That's going to equal 7a. I look at my coefficient there, 7 and 30. 7/30ths, I cannot reduce that any. So this is my final answer, 7a divided by 30. So hopefully that will help you with the last examples of using a variable when you are adding or subtracting fractions that do not have the same denominator, unlike denominators.